I think Mona made it a very interesting game. Credit must be given to them. It's a hard team to control in 90 minutes. They run a lot, they create chaos and they strive after that. They got a penalty in the first half early in the game. I think it sent some nerve in our team. And we weren't settled, we weren't in control. But I think once we remain calm, got our composure, I think our quality and our class in the end shone through.
Alright, so I mean at Kingston College later on versus Senat, you're going to meet one of those teams in the final. Is there anything that you would change for your guys going into the final up against one of those teams?
Honestly, right now we're not thinking about that. It's just to go to the dressing room, congratulate the boys and the staff, and just cock up our foot and watch some football for the next 90 minutes, and hopefully whoever come, we prepare for that. But we have a semi-final on Saturday in the Champions Cup, which we are taking extremely serious. We want to win that also. So it's to get these boys ready for that one. Yeah, man.
All right, coach. You visited in the week and you were preparing for the Champions Cup. How did you prepare different for this game against Mona?
We never had enough time. Honestly, we had 2 days. One of the days recovery because we went to St. Elizabeth for a long and very difficult game against Manning. So once we got back into Kingston, what we did was try to, as best as possible, get a recovery mechanism in place, get these boys recover. And to be honest, I would have watched Mona a few times this season. Difficult team to predict, difficult team to control. Personally, I want to congratulate them on an excellent season as a new and upcoming school in the schoolboy competition. I think they did well, but we had quality and we had class, and I think in the end it prevailed.
Coach, as I said, expecting a hard game. What did you say to the boys before this game? I saw that a fight out there. You know, some nerves in the early part, but we saw that it calmed down. What did you say to them before the game, and during the game, how did you get them to calm down?
We knew it would have been a battle. All teams that Craig Butler coach, they're battlers, they're warriors. They never die, they never give up. So we expect a hard run in Mona, a physical Mona, a battling Mona. So we wanted to prepare them mentally for that. Also, we wanted to have them remain composed, remain calm, because emotions in this setting is not good. As you see in the end, I think emotion got the better of Mona and they got a red card. But it was always going to be a situation like that, whether it's Mona or JC. Once emotions are not under control, you'll have situations like that.
Coach, into the Manning Cup finals, once more. This is what JC do. How does it feel?
It's a wonderful feeling. I think this year is a special year for us in terms of last year we went to the final and we lost. But last year we understand that our preparation was short. And in football or in sports or in life, I believe that nothing is given. So we have to earn everything, and I think this year we earn it based on our preparation. This is my 3rd season here, and I have managed to successfully bring JC into 3 Manning Cup finals. I have won 1 and I've lost 1, and hopefully this is another omen that I can win this one also.
All right, here you go. Thank you for talking to us, Coach. Good game.
Pleasure.